Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by turning on the essentials, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, and unlock each screen. On Android, enable Nearby Share under Google Devices and Sharing, and on Windows, install and run the Nearby Share for Windows app, then sign in. Once done, set visibility to devices or contacts to control who can send files. These first steps let Android detect your PC. Make sure both devices are discoverable and in range so transfer can begin immediately. Now perform the actual send from Android. Open the file or photos, tap Share and pick Nearby Share. Your Windows PC should appear in the device list. Tap it. On the PC, accept the incoming connection in the Nearby Share window and choose a save folder if prompted. Make sure transfer mode matches your needs, data over Wi-Fi for speed, or Bluetooth if Wi-Fi is unavailable. Once accepted, the files stream directly. Keep both devices awake until the transfer completes to avoid interruption. To finish, check the Windows Save location and open the files to confirm they transferred intact. If your PC never appeared, toggle Nearby Share and Bluetooth on both devices, then try again. A quick restart of each device often clears detection issues. Make sure Windows Firewall or Antivirus isn't blocking the Nearby Share app and that visibility is set to allow your Android device. If problems persist, switch transfer mode to Bluetooth or try moving both devices closer to improve the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.